Stoicism, an ancient philosophy founded in Athens by Zeno of Citium around 300 BCE, offers valuable insights and practices for controlling anger and frustration. The Stoics believe that true happiness and inner peace come from developing virtue and living in harmony with nature. By cultivating emotional self-control, individuals can navigate life's challenges with greater composure and resilience. Here are some Stoic practices to help you manage anger and frustration. Pause and reflect. When you feel anger or frustration rising within you, take a moment to pause and reflect on the situation. Ask yourself if the circumstances are genuinely within your control or if they lie outside your influence. Stoics believe that our emotional responses are influenced by our perceptions, so challenging irrational thoughts can help calm intense emotions. Acceptance of the present moment. Embrace the Stoic principle of amor fati, which means love of fate or accepting everything that happens as necessary and for the best. By accepting the present moment and recognizing that certain events are beyond our control, we can release our attachment to specific outcomes and experience fewer emotional disturbances. Distinguish between what is and isn't in your control. The Stoic dichotomy of control reminds us to focus only on what we can control, our attitudes, actions, and responses. External events and other people's actions are beyond our control. By concentrating on our reactions and choices, we can better manage our emotional responses. Practice gratitude. Cultivate an attitude of gratitude for the things you have rather than focusing on what you lack or what frustrates you. Gratitude shifts your perspective and can help mitigate feelings of anger or dissatisfaction. Reframe negative thoughts. Use cognitive reframing to reevaluate situations from a different perspective. Ask yourself whether your initial interpretation of the event is accurate or if there could be alternative explanations that are less anger-provoking. Visualize worst-case scenarios. Consider the worst possible outcomes of a situation and mentally prepare yourself to handle them. By envisioning and accepting these scenarios, you will likely find that your anger and frustration decrease because you realize they are not as catastrophic as they initially seemed. Practice mindfulness. Engage in regular mindfulness exercises to stay present and aware of your emotions without being consumed by them. Mindfulness can help you observe your feelings without reacting impulsively. Count to 10. Before reacting to a situation that triggers anger, take a deep breath and count to 10. This simple action can provide enough time for your initial emotional response to subside, allowing you to respond more thoughtfully. Physical activity and relaxation techniques. Engage in physical activities or relaxation techniques like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises to release tension and manage strong emotions effectively. Practice empathy and compassion. Understand that everyone faces struggles, and their behavior may not necessarily be a reflection of you. Cultivating empathy and compassion can help you respond to others' actions with understanding rather than with anger. Remember that mastering these practices takes time and effort. Stoicism is not about suppressing emotions but rather transforming and guiding them towards healthier responses. By embracing these Stoic practices, you can gain better control over anger and frustration, leading to a more serene and contented life.